Hello guys, my name is Nosa Oke-Horton and welcome to a fantastic edition of your favorite political show on the web where we give you all of the trending basketballs in the Nigerian political space. My name remains Nosa Oke-Horton and this is the KOKO in Naija. So last week, at the tail end of last week, the IPOB group came out and ordered, at first they had said they had ordered that if their leader, Nnamdi Kanu, was not brought to court as at October 6th, they were going to order a sit-at-home in the southeast region that would last the duration of a whole month, the whole of October. But as at Friday, they did come out again and release another statement, them declaring that October 1st, which is Nigeria's Independence Day, that they had ordered a sit-at-home order in the whole of the southeast region of the country, which they call or refer to as Biafraland. Now, they said there that no one must come out on October 1st, and anyone who fails to comply with their sit-at-home order will be dealt with severely. Now, the question which I am going to ask is, this sit-at-home order which they are ordering, who exactly is it affecting? Is it actually affecting the Federal Republic of Nigeria, or it is more affecting those which they claim they are fighting for their rights and their decision to move out of the configuration of Nigeria, or which they claim they are no longer part of the configuration of Nigeria? Are they really fighting for these people? Because if you are telling the same people to sit at home, you are threatening their existence, their means of livelihood. People can't go out. Their economical sustainability is put at threat. You're telling the same people to sit at home. So the question is, who actually are you? Is this going to affect? If you check the Nigerian IGR or the VAT index, IGR index, none of these 4 or 5 southeast states actually produce the highest finance revenue for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So the question still stands: who actually is this sit-at-home going to affect? Now, looking on that on one side and moving on, the next thing would be, where do these people get the right and the authority to make such proclamations? A proscribed group, in quotes. A proscribed group, in quotes, is coming out to declare a sit-at-home where there are legally mandated and elected authorities in place. Just befuddling. What is the sitting governors of this state? What are they doing if a group who their leader is currently incarcerated or is being in custody of the DSS can make such order, and then the whole of the Southeast will almost shut down? Trouble in plenty ways. Then, in their statement, which they said, okay, they are keeping, in which they said there's going to be a sit-at-home, they said it is in solidarity and support for Ambazonia. And then with little of research, Ambazonia is not even in Nigeria. It is another secession group fighting in Cameroon. So Nigeria, yeah, these people are fighting in support and solidarity, declaring a sit-at-home in Nigeria for people in Cameroon. It just keeps giving you more reasons to be confused. What exactly is the goal of these people? What exactly do they intend to achieve? Now, with that, they are in that very statement declaring October 1st as a sit-at-home for the whole of the Southeast. They did also warn banks in Nigeria to stop, not just bank, all federal government parastatals in the state, that, okay, all flags, Nigerian flags, should not be put up at full mast from now till the kingdom comes, with special exception to banks, going ahead to threaten banks that if banks do not listen to their order, they will do it in their own way. If banks don't, they will do it in their own way. So now it just keeps giving you, are these people actually there for any legal reasons? Is there more to this? Why would you even make threats in a democratic system with a federal government or a government which are legally elected and mandated, constituted authority in place, and these people are coming out to make such proclamations? It keeps giving you reasons to doubt the true essence of their fight. And as much as is there, it also gives you reasons to doubt, is there actually a leadership in this country? Now, yeah, in a bit of counter statement or a bit of reaction to some of their declarations or their proclamations or their sit-at-home order, the governor of Imo State has come out, Governor Hope Uzodinma, saying they will no longer tolerate another IPOB sit-at-home order. But my question is, if you will no longer, it says no longer, that means you allowed it the first time. It's just like a rash. If you allow a rash to fester, you do not deal with it immediately as it shows, it will grow bigger. And at some point, you probably will end up having to chop off your own arm. So why are you not coming out to say you no longer tolerate? So you tolerated it before. Yeah, like they would say. Well, my name remains Nosa Oke-Horton. I hope just a bit of a brief on all of this. I hope it does make some sense, and we have reasons to question the federal government or the government of Nigeria that why exactly are some of these things allowed to fester in the country, and they should take Nnamdi Kanu to court. If he has committed any treasonable offense, let him be tried quick. Let us hear the verdict of the court. Try giving fair hearing and justice, and then we will actually know what exactly is going on behind the scene. My name remains Nosa Oke-Horton. See you same place, same time, next time.